Okay, so let's have a clear look at what we have built and why we have built. We have built True Hire, AI powered anti resume hiring platform. Imagine a world where people aren't judged by what they studied, where they studied, the brand names on their resumes, and how well the keyboard optimized CVs are, but by what they can actually do. Today, the world begins with our AI powered anti resume hiring platform, TrueHire. It completely imagines the recruitment from ground up. Let's face it, the current hiring system it is broken. Resumes don't reflect real capabilities. Keyword filters throw strong candidates into the rejection pile within seconds. Job descriptions are vague and uninspiring. Hiring is slow, biased, and often a poor fit. And who loses the most in this system? Talented individuals without a specific degree from certain institute. Well, pedigree. People with potential overlooked, skills wasted. True Hire is our ultimate solution. It is the bold answer to this problem. Let's see how we are changing the game. No resumes, no buzzwords, just real skills. Candidates showcase themselves through role specific challenges, whether it is coding, management, design, or problem solving. Blind AI driven matching. Identities are hidden during initial evaluations, removing unconscious bias and giving everyone a fair shot. AI powered interviews. Companies post actual tasks, not generic descriptions. Our platform stimulates interviews, scores them objectively based on skills, cultural fit, and values. Our metrics are completely transparent. Salary data, company culture, real expectation. No hidden clauses, no surprises. We also have a continuous feedback loop. With every hire, our AI learns and improves, making every future smarter, and sharper. We call this bias free, skill first, data driven hiring built for the future. As you can see, let's walk you through the journey. So, as a candidate, you sign up to our platform, complete your profile, choose your experience level and skills, complete the challenges that we have saved for you, and deal with the AI interview. And then we give you the score matches, the suitable jobs. You can have a look at your job offers, connect with your employers, and we will be giving you feedback. So, as a recruiter, what you do is you set up your company profile. You create your job roles, post your jobs, set your criteria, and then let AI do the magic. AI matching is done. You can review your scores based on personality insights, and all the transcriptions of the AI interview is pasted. Interview results are given, and then you can make your offer and have a look at the analytics. We are the real deal. True hire means fairness, speed, and growth. For company, it means quality hires, diversity, and lower hiring cost. And for the world, well, it means unlocking potential that was previously ignored. Let me share some tech stack and the process flow. As you can see, for backend, we have used Fast API and we used Superbase. For frontend, we've used HTML, CSS, JS. As time was low, we've done our best. For AI ML, we've used DeepSeek and we've deployed using Render. We've built this using a proven scalable stack and with a $250 billion global recruitment market screaming for innovation and 87% of employers struggling to find qualified talent. True Hire arrives not just as a solution but as a revolution. Backed by insights from Harvard, McKinsey, LinkedIn, Deloitte, our platform is deeply well researched, technically sound, and aligned with massive shift towards skills over resumes. Our vision is simple but powerful. Skills over pedigree, performance over paperwork, opportunity for everyone. We are Team Techie Pookie and Nikhil Kumar Obhavani is our project lead. Kshitij and this is me, Krishnopriya. We are on a mission to making hiring fast, fair, and future-proof. Let's build a world where real-world work leads to real matches. Let's build True Hire. You can log on to truehire.render.com.
Okay, so as Krishnopriya has completed, let's move towards a practical implementation. क्योंकि theory में तो सब अच्छा लगता है. Now let's move up to practical. So A very warm welcome to all of you. This is Nikhil Kumar, team leader of Techie Pookie, and I have created a platform which is known as True Hire. Now, what is True Hire? Nowadays, companies have to post their jobs on the LinkedIn. Then, after completing that, they collect resumes, then their internal evaluation method, then interview, then all. This is a very time-taking process and a very costly product process. To eliminate this, I have created a platform which is known as True Hire. So its benefit are hire in less than 1 day, cut cost by 95%, and unbiased evaluation. What is unbiased evaluation? When a candidate applies from here, the recruiter is not able to see his or her name. He is only able to see candidate's Pookie number. Okay, that we will show to you. So to continue it, we have to click on get started. After clicking on get started, I have to authorize it. So I will authorize my account with Google. Uh, because my account is already exists, so it will take me to login. Otherwise, if it doesn't exist, it will ask for you for name, date of birth, and all these things. So I will select my roles for software tech, and I will select my fresher level experience. Continuing, I have to turn on my camera. Okay, so you can see my beautiful face, and to turn on my see. So as you can see now, I am on this page again where I have to share, and now I have to do some questions. So the user have to do some questions and it is in full screen. So let me complete some of the questions for you. Okay, so I tried F11. Let me show you a feature. When if I try to press on F11, it says assessment terminated. Now you have to go back to the return to the home. So it's not able to cheat and do everything here. So let me go. So I have done this process again, and I have to show you I have completed my final assessment, and you can see my score. So I will click to continue interview. If I passed here, then I am able to go to continue to interview. So let it load. It takes a time because all the data is fed to the server. Coming and going. So it takes my interview here, start recording and all these things. After that, let me complete it and it will redirect me to another job page if I am compatible. And yes, before complete, if I try to click on F11, yeah, if I try to get out of screen, so it shows me a warning. अगर आपके दो से ज़्यादा हुई, so you are going to be removed. So I will not do this, and it will again full screen this by myself. So let me complete it. It's asking for my describe situation. That microphone is both not working here. So that's why let me complete it. So on to the last process, I am here and I have to, you can hear where I can apply immediately. So I have to click on apply now, and my resume and my all these detail is submitted towards the HR. Now I will show you the HR dashboard and the recruiter dashboard, how it looks. Okay. So on to recruiter page, you can see same for that invite candidates. So you can click on get started. If you want to create an account using LinkedIn, you can create it using LinkedIn company name and all. I already have an account, so I will log in it. So let me enter my ID and password. Okay, so I will click on sign in. After clicking on signing, I can see the jobs for which are jobs applying, and you can view application that we have a candidate number, not candidate's name, not candidate's profile. We only see a candidate number and what was his score when he performed this all, that 92%, 87%, 76%, and 58%. So this will show. In my database, there are currently 2,500 saved candidates because I ran the query for this. And to post a job, you can click on post a job. You have to provide job details, description and requirements, skills and assessment. Based on that, your job is posted there, and you can, if someone applies for you can see here that this is expired and what were the application, so that are shown here. This is still not that much complete, but will be get completed. Some issues and some bugs are also there in this flow. So yeah, thank you to all of you. This was all from my side. This was from the team of Techie Pookie side. I am Nikhil Kumar signing off from here. Goodbye.